Okay, we are on our way to Renmark Speedway to go pick up a mate's old figure 8 ramp car that we used to race probably 6 to 7 years ago. It got smashed up in the left hand side pretty bad and it's just not fixable, but my idea with this is it's got a red line roll cage in it, and if I can pull the red line roll cage out of it and transfer it into my Mitsubishi Lancer that I'll be using in the world record demolition derby at Murray Bridge on April the 18th. Hint hint, that's my wife's birthday as well, so hopefully she lets me do what I want to do. So my mate Mark, it was his old car, so we're gonna head over there. We'll go pick it up. We're using my mate's Ranger at the moment, Brock. Thank you, Brock. So for letting me use your Ranger to go pick this up. My vehicle is currently unregistered at the moment, so and it's Christmas time and it's hot. Well, it's not actually hot today, so I think, what are we, like, probably heading for nearly 30 degrees today. It's been in like mid 40s for the last week and a bit now, so now that we've got a bit of cool weather, we'll head over there and go get this car, and you'll see me when we get over there. Okay, here we are, Renmark Speedway. This is the car we're picking up. It's been sitting here, like I said, for, I don't know, 6-7 years, I'm not too sure. So this was Mark's car, and he lent it out a lot to people so they could use it. And yeah, like I said, it got hit really hard in this side. And it, as you can see, you might be able to see it, it's actually bowed all the floor in and pushed all the shifter and gearbox, and the whole motor's all pushed to one side. So I know, years and years ago, bit of me mate's old welding right there. Thumbs up, Scotty, nice work, mate. We welded the mounts in. Another one there, you can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see how bent that mount is, but it is bent. Got a bonnet. Oh look, somebody's gaffed some stuff off of it. I know people took the fuel tank out of it the last time I went and had a look, so we'll actually have to buy a fuel tank. So the idea is I want this cage for the demolition derby. So how many rounds did this car see? Was it 9? I think it was 9. I think it did 9 races. It's not the longest one. So if you guys want to go have a look, you can look at, go onto YouTube and look at, I don't know, Renmark figure 8 ramp race, and you'll see what it's all about. I did it for a fair while. I did probably it for 5 or 6 years straight. And I was actually pretty competitive. I got 1 DNF and always a first or a second in it. And I won the, I actually won the biggest figure 8 ramp race. As far as I know, it was in Australia, and there was 24 or 25 cars entered. I started out at 19th and I won it. So yeah, just a bit of history. So from me, and that was actually here at the Renmark Speedway. So, but yeah, that is, I do have videos of that as well, but I'll try and post them up, but I'd have to try and find them, but I'd highly doubt it that I'd be able to find them. I'd have to go back through my computer to put them up. So I've probably got a picture of me with a checkered flag with the car going around the track, so I might be able to post up a picture of that in this video. So yeah, well, I think our plan is to, what are we going to do? I reckon we'll try and drag it. We'll hook it to the trailer, we'll drag it out, we'll get it a bit straighter because
don't drive the car too much. There's a lot of scrap metal around.
Yeah, there's like a lot of sharp metal and stuff around, and we don't want to pierce the tyre. So these wheels are not pointing in the same direction at all. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that one's that way and that one's that way. It's not what you'd call cross-eyed though, is it? Yep. We decided we're going to drag this thing out of here. I think it's Bluetooth driven, is it? It's operated by Bluetooth. It has no choice in where it wants to go. It's going to get towed there. You probably see how bent up she is. Hell yeah. I can't believe the tyres are all still up. Oh yeah, it didn't have brakes anyway, remember?
No, I had a handbrake, it just didn't have brake brakes.
Yeah, keep going, man. Yeah, all right, hold it there. Video. Yep.
Universe Ranger.
Not gonna work.
Skinner losers.
Yep, that's it. Ranger versus Datsun, or what's left of the Datsun. So we'll get all this untied and then get the ute back around the trailer. Probably going to need 2 hands for this. That one's still going on alright over there?
Yeah. Put some muscle into it, Squid.
Have a rest, dude. Have a rest. Oh yeah, it'll be a bit of a nightmare.
Jammed up.
Alright guys, no swearing now. Just a little bit more. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Go again. Yep, that's it. We're on. You can go grab that rock off the back rock. We are on, guys. We are on.
I hate you, Skinner.
You hated pulling that on, even though it was out-eyed, not cross.
Yeah.
So the problem that we have with the steering is that steering arm right in there, back there when it will focus,
Well, there's your problem.
is not bent, and this one over here
He's knackered.
is knackered. It's a banana. Where is it? Right under here. Here we go. Oh, you might be able to see it there. This one right there. She's a banana.
Don't let
That's
people's race your figure 8 cars, what happens?
No, you never lend your stuff out, it never comes back the same. So yeah, all right, we'll get the ramps up back here, grab our strap, tie her on. I'm so out of breath. That was actually hard work. It probably took us a good solid 20 minutes to get that from back there where them guys are on the trailer because of that front end. All right, we'll get her strapped on and you'll see us on the road. Hell yeah. We are on. Cheers, boys. Rock, music, Mark, or Mark, music, whatever. So yeah, we got it all roped on.
All we got to do now is get it to your joint, find a solid tree, tie it over, fucking drive away.
No, we're not going to get it off.
Ah.
We're going to leave it on the trailer.
Right,
we're going to leave it on the trailer.
Yeah,
we're going to. Yeah, we're just going to cut the roof off, get the cage out, and then take it to the scrapyard. So yeah, we just had to sling rope over the bonnet because the bonnet is missing the chain. Somebody's gaffed them out of the front. We got it all roped on the back, so we should be all good. We're ready to go. So for the people who just wanted to know what this car actually was, it's about a mid-70s Datsun 120Y. So yeah, or Nissan Datsun 120Y. So yeah, it's mid-70s. It's probably like a 76 or a 77 model Datsun. So with a...
Mum, we've got to fill up the window washers when we get home. They're pretty empty.
Alright, sweet. Well, we should do that now.
Yeah.
If this thing still ran, we should actually just all get in it and go through the Macca's drive-through. But obviously it doesn't run.
Would run it, though, to pinch half the engine.
Yeah, a lot of people have actually taken a lot of parts off of this. So, but yeah, like we said, it's been sitting for like 6 years. So yeah. This was actually our old team name as well. It was actually Mullet Bogan Racing. So, but yeah, there was a Facebook page for it. I think it's still active, but yeah, it's no longer. I think it was last updated probably, yeah, 6 odd years ago. So yeah, all right, next time you see it, we'll be back at my father's joint. So we'll see you there. See you guys. Okay, we made it back to my father's property.
One stripper, please.
So we're back here at my father's joint. We got it backed up into the shed, so we're in the shade. So we're going to cut the roof off to get the cage out. We're going to keep a couple bits and pieces off of this thing. So like the carby on the motor, we'll keep that. The seat, it's got a proper like RCI race seat in it, so we've got to pull that out. We're going to keep all the chains off of it because they're actually pretty handy for anything to do with figure eight or demolition derby, because you actually got to chain them. So yeah, you got to actually chain all the bodywork so nothing flies off of them. And as soon as we get that all done, then we'll that'll be basically it. We'll just pull the cage out and chuck the roof back on it and take it to the scrapyard.
Just to the car.
Yep, this will be the end of it. All right, you'll see it with the roof off next. Okay, roof is off. It is now a Datsun 120Y convertible. So as you can see, I'll just walk back in. I know, I was just saying to the boys here, we should have time-lapsed this. I didn't actually even think about that. But hey, I might actually time-lapse it now so you can watch us pull the cage out. All right, so this is it now. So the roof's all off. And we'll start cutting the cage out of it and getting off other little knickknacks. Okay, we've got it all, the cage is out, so the cage is there, odd bits and pieces that we've kept. That was an effort. So we've just chucked the roof and the bonnet inside it. We've got to rope it on so we can take it to the scrapyard. We got the carby off of it, so we've kept all that. We've just kept whatever's salvageable. I don't know if we'll keep the rims and tyres, I just can't be bothered. I think we're done. So yeah, we'll take it to the scrapyard now and see what we get for it. So we'll see you at the scrapyard. Nah, just leave it there. That worked out pretty well. Doing it like that. You buy me one.
Nah, you're right. I will want with money. Only check this in business if you don't need it.
There she goes.
Now that body in the boot isn't ours. Okay, we'll stand before we found it, right?
Cheers for that, buddy. Have a good New Year's, mate. Alright, see ya. Alright, we are done. We've got the trailer put away. See it over there. So yeah, we're on our way home now. I'll just give that a bit of a clean for you. Yeah, so we are done. Thank you, Brock.
Easy.
So we can go home and have a shower. Oh my God, what an absolute effort that was. So yeah, well, that's the end for us too. And I'd like to wish everybody, because it is the last day of the year, a happy new year tonight and the best for next year. We'll see you next year. See you guys, bye.